I still need a little bit more room here. Look no further. This can go through any grass. I mean, anything. Like, this is a monster. Again, very light throttle. Light throttle. And you see how fast it is on light throttle. But look. I can flip it right side up because of the power it has. Still need 4 AA batteries for the handheld remote. Monsters back in town. Woo! Look at this. Oh, this is so cool. This looks so nice, and I love the spot that's big enough up here. We could put a GoPro if we wanted to attach a GoPro. This is nice and sleek looking. Already got the built-in wheelie wheel. Woo! This is nice. Woo! Look at this play. Look at the shocks on this thing. Look at this. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! And look at the modern way to take the body off. You just press on the sides here, and you lift up. Wow. That's impressive. So there's no battery. You do supply your own battery. This is clean. Battery goes on the side here. Power button right here. Oh, look at this thing. Wow. I cannot wait to drive this. And of course, you get tons of accessories as well. You got tools for taking off everything you need. I mean, it's awesome. This is awesome. They also give you decals and manuals and all that stuff, but I like how clean the body is. Like, look at this inside. This is clean. For both things, you will need to provide the battery. So this is the controller, which is pretty nice as well. Everything about this is really nice. I love it. Like, if I give full throttle, watch. It's just that powerful. And I can flip it right side up by using forward and reverse. All right, we're gonna try 100% here. I don't think this is enough room. I mean, we're 50% throttle. Oh my word. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. This is just incredible. I'm gonna try and do 100% throttle. I don't think I'm gonna have enough room here. Not yet. Not yet. I tried. So even going that fast, we're gonna do. Let's go drop it down to 75% throttle. So even at that fast, it still has that much torque. I need more runway. So I need a bigger runway. Okay, this is 75%. Sorry guys, had a car coming. So even at 75%, one of the fastest RCs I reviewed. This is an insanely fast RC. Now I have it turned down super low. So you see how it's going? That's on super low. Like, that's 25% speed. Let's do 50. Even 50, because it's, you know, the grass is uneven. Like, this is, man, that's at 50. Here's at 100. So I'm trying to flip it over. So watch this, let's see. Look at that. I flipped it over. That's how powerful it is on 100% speed. Like, as you guys can see, the grass, you want to do that on like, it's insane. The speed this thing has at 100%. I mean, nothing's gonna stop this thing. This thing is incredible. I mean, I'm going slow. We're not even at 20% throttle. You see how fast that is? It was going upside down. It flips because it's so powerful. Like, I'm not, again, I'm at 20% throttle. I can't give it 100% throttle. Like, this is 30%. Like, this RC is incredible. You looking for an RC that's fun? Like, this is incredible. I'm gonna try and get speed here. Oh my word. This is 50. Oh, even that, you need to be on pavement. It's that incredibly powerful. Let's see if we can get 50. Get some speed here. Yeah, even at 50, I'm gonna say probably 30%, unless you're on solid pavement.